Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create cool text using type elements in Canva. So there, if you want to make a scrapbook design in Canva, you can use this trick to create text. And first, you just need to click on the plus icon. So go to the elements and find tape. Click on search, and on the graphics click on see all. So in here you'll find a lot of type elements that you can use. You can just choose which one that you think fits your need the best. I'm going to just use this basic ones right here. And to create the text or a letter, you can just rotate it to your liking and also resize it like this. So I'm going to just create high, for example. Just copy it, duplicate it like this, rotate it again, and duplicate it again, and you'll find high. Okay, so that's an easy text, but you can always modify it to any letter or word you want. Okay, so that's all for me. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment, and also click on a thanks button. Thank you.